In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a form to Mailerlite. We'll use Zapier to create a simple automation so every new form submission flows straight into your Mailerlite audience, saving you time and preventing copy and paste errors. Start on the Zapier homepage. Click Create, then choose Zaps to begin building your workflow. This opens the editor where you'll set up two parts: a trigger that listens for new form entries and an action that sends those details to Mailerlite. Open the trigger panel. In the app search, select your form tool. In this example, it's called Kit. Next, choose the event that runs when a new submission is received, the one that represents a brand new form entry. Click Continue to move ahead. If Zapier is already connected to your form app, you'll see your resources right away. If not, just follow the on-screen prompts to use an existing connection. Now choose the specific form you want to connect. Pick the exact form from the dropdown so Zapier knows where to listen. With that selected, click Test Trigger. Zapier will pull in a recent sample submission so you can see real fields and values. If nothing appears, submit a quick test entry in your form and try again. Having a fresh sample makes the next mapping steps much clearer. With the trigger ready, set the action. Click Action to add the second step, then choose Mailerlite as the destination app. Select the event that adds or updates a subscriber, which ensures people are created if they're new and refreshed if they already exist. Click Continue. Next, choose the subscriber group in Mailerlite where these contacts should land. Pick the group that matches your campaign or segment plan. Then add the email by mapping the email field from your form into Mailerlite's email field. This one-to-one match is essential since email is the unique identifier for subscribers. Keep an eye on formatting. Avoid test addresses you plan to keep, and make sure your form collects a valid email value. Click Continue, then run a test step. Zapier will send the sample subscriber to Mailerlite and display a success message if everything lines up. To validate the entire workflow end-to-end, click Test Run. Zapier will simulate the process using your selections and let you know that the automation is working as expected. That's it. You've connected your form to Mailerlite through Zapier, so new submissions flow directly into the right group with the correct email field mapped. This setup keeps your list clean, your follow-ups timely, and your marketing on track.